just been like a ship day or an at sea day, and it's about 5:30, maybe 6 now. We're just eating some food. I'm drinking a delicious pina colada. I'm sharing it with my brother. Super sweet and super delicious. Today I've just run a lot, hung out, getting a tan, and just been chilling. So tomorrow we arrive in Ocho Rios, Jamaica, and we have a little excursion plan and everything. And yeah, I don't think we're doing anything too exciting for the rest of the night. So yeah, I'll keep you updated.
Electric in my blood, circuits lighting up. I'm loving every minute of it. I'm loving every minute of it, yeah. Fire in this lust, so hot when we touch. I'm loving how we got it burning, loving how we got it. We move like water, back and forth and under. These elements make up the love that we got, and I'm so in it. These elements, they could be perfect or not. The earth keeps spinning. These elements, these elements, these elements make up the love that we got. Cool down from this heat, so warm in the sheets. I'm loving every minute of it, loving every minute of it, yeah. Inhale, you're the air, so deep, and I swear I'm loving how you got me breathing, loving how you got me.